Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you liked my last video. Today I'm going to be showing you the mural behind me. I did this to sort of separate work from play and sort of separate my day job from the furniture painting. So the creative side is all on the other side of the studio, and then behind me is where I work every day for my office job. So let's get started. It's super simple. Holes in this wall, so I sanded off all the filler that was here. It's a pretty lumpy wall. So now you'll see me starting to draw the design using a pencil. If you saw my last video, I showed you how to draw a circle. So there's just a pencil attached to a non-stretchy string, and there is a nail in the wall that's allowing me to draw this circle. And for a long time, I just stared at my design because I wasn't sure I got it right. But yeah, so then I taped it all up and you can sort of see the drawn out design here. I've used masking tape here for the straight lines, and I used frog tape delicate because that's what I had, but I do prefer Deltec tape or Access Decor. And you'll see I cut in the edges of the circle with a small brush. Dark colours help to hide screens and just sort of disguise them, so that's why I went for a dark navy there. You'll see I'm putting a light blue here. I don't keep that colour because I think it looked awful, so you'll see me change that out in a bit. But here I am just doing some more taping and painting. I'm using the super fluffy rollers that Two Fussy Blokes are bringing out. I think they're amazing for coverage for murals because you're going from light colours to dark colours all the time, so it's just super handy. I'm cutting in around the bottom curve here with a small paintbrush. I just load up my paintbrush and then to get a sharp edge, and I'll show you a close-up of that soon. You can see me covering over that light blue that I initially had. I mixed up this colour actually. The other colours are Brassica and Stiff Key from Far and Ball. We had them left over, but this one is just a custom mixed colour that I did myself. I wanted to do something a little different, so I decided to bring the design down onto the desk that sits below this mural. So here I am painting a navy circle in the same navy that I have on the walls. But this is obviously the furniture paint, and that light blue is just a primer so that I can use less paint. Here's a bit of tape peeling for you. This is actually a bit of a nightmare because all the walls in my house seem to be in bits, but that's a nice clean line to show you. Here's an up-close shot of me painting the edges of the curves. So I have my brush proper loaded up just to get full coverage on the edges, and then I just wipe away any excess paint to make sure you don't have a really thick glob of it at the edges. Here is the finished result. You can see I painted the furniture in the same colours just so it all matches, and I did the inside of the table a dark navy also, and it all just brings it together really nicely. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. I hope you liked my video, and if you did, make sure you like and subscribe. It would really mean a lot to me. I'm trying to get one video out a week. It's super hard to get into the habit of it, but I'm getting there. So I hope you liked it, and if you try it, make sure you tag me.